This video is about how to install Earpads on the Sennheiser Momentum 4. Inside this methodical product package, there is one pair of Earpads, one pair of mats, and a plastic spot jar. No tools are needed to remove or install these Earpads. But without the right technique, it might be a little tricky. Turn the headphones to match the direction shown in here. Pay attention to the spot where the finger is pointing in here. There is a spot on it that makes removal especially easy. Apply a little bit of force right there. Then it can be snapped off easily. Just align the new Earpads with the clips and press down. Do the same thing to remove the ear pad on the other side. The mats last longer than the Earpads, so replacing the mats is optional. It really depends on personal need. The mats are attached with glue, so some residue may be left behind. Alright, installation is all done. Let us see how it looks in the end. Many thanks for watching and for the continued support of Methodical Products.